Hello friends, today we are painting colored green leaves. I am going to be using all greens, different shades of greens. And the first one I laid down is deep green, followed by aqua green or green blue, and then bright green and pale green. My aim for today is to paint using the leaf blower that I always use. That's the smallest leaf blower, and I just want to make some petals, like color green leaves, like color greens that you buy in the market. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just blowing out the paint. I did not put any base paint at all, and I'm just using a cardboard that is already been painted purple. So basically what I'm doing right now is just using that little leaf blower to blow out the paint. And I'm really not gonna bore you on this. I'm gonna speed it up periodically. I'm gonna speed it up 2 times, sometimes 4 times, if I'm in an area where I'm just repeating the process. So sit back, enjoy the process, and if you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video, and like, share, and again, go ahead and comment and tell me how you like this technique. I have been using this leaf blower for the last my last 4 or 5 paintings, and they are turning out pretty good, I think. So yeah, watch and let me know how you like it. If you'd like me to continue with this technique, or I have another technique that I am gonna start using. Stay tuned, and thank you for being here. I appreciate your presence and your support, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and God bless.